Hey guys, it is Julie with JT.Wealth here with our third episode in our dividend investing series. So let's go. All right, guys, so it is episode 3 of our dividend investing series, where every single week we are putting $50 into our M1 Finance portfolio. Now, if you don't have M1 Finance, but you want it, check out the link down below in the description where you can sign up and get 10 free dollars. If you are new, you can go to the channel's playlist and make sure that you catch up on the first 2 episodes of this series. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and while you're at it, give us a like as well. Now remember, we are doing this series in collaboration with 2 other awesome YouTubers, and that is Sam over at MyFinancialFriend and Logan over at Logan Fisher. So Sam is going to be investing $100 per week and Logan is investing $25 per week. So we really have a great range of price points depending on which stage in your investment plan you're in. We will be giving you guys updates on each of our progress and comparing to each other in a fun little competition as to where our dividend portfolios are at. So make sure you stay tuned for that coming down the road. Okay, so today we are going to cover our latest stock pick for this dividend portfolio. We will give you an update on the current status of all of our existing holdings, as well as their upcoming dividend payment dates. All right, so this week's stock pick is Walgreens. Their ticker is WBA. So Walgreens is the largest global pharmacy and wellness retailer. They have over 18,000 stores in 11 countries. If you look at Walgreens charts, you can see that they haven't been performing outstandingly over the last few years, and I get that. But the company is making some big moves towards becoming more stable in the future. In July, they did announce that they were partnering with DoorDash to provide on-demand delivery in some test markets as a way to reach consumers who may be unwilling or unable to go to their stores. And they're also partnering with a primary care provider, Village MD, and will be opening up 700 clinics over the next 5 years. Another thing I love about Walgreens is that they just announced they'll be increasing their dividend payment for the 45th year in a row. So that means their stock is now paying a dividend over 4.5% per year. All right, let's take a peek at our M1 Finance portfolio. So you can see here that our total balance now after week 3, we're at $152.74. So our return is sitting at 3.57%, which I'm okay with right now. You can see just below that, earned dividends is still 0. We haven't crossed any of those dividend payment dates yet, so happy with where we're at. Okay, now I just want to go through each of our holdings here, let you know when we're expecting those dividend payments to come in. So first on the list here is our SPHD High Dividend ETF. So these guys are a monthly dividend. So the last dividend was July 20th. We'll expect this next one to come in on August 20th. That dividend yield sitting at 5.46%. Our next one, we have Shaw Communications. So their next dividend is coming up on August 28th, and these guys are another monthly one. So I always love seeing that. Dividend yield 4.56%. Next on our list is Pfizer. So their next payment isn't until September 1st. These guys are a quarterly dividend. Dividend yield at 3.95%. Walgreens, so this is our latest pick from today. These guys are also a quarterly dividend with their next payment coming up September 11th, and that yield at that 4.58% right now. And Navi here, so we just missed this one on June 19th, so we'll expect the next one coming out in 3 months at 7.42% dividend yield. And that is similar to AT&T here, who we also just missed their dividend date there on August 3rd. So again, 3 months, we'll see that next one coming out at 6.97%. Like I mentioned last week to you guys, I am filming this now on Thursday evening, and I'm going to push it out later tonight just to make sure that you have access to it first thing Friday morning, so that if there are any of these stocks that you want to jump into, you still have the whole day in the market and you don't have to wait over the weekend. If you are following along with this investment series, please let me know. We've had a few different comments from people saying that they've started this series investing for themselves or investing for one of their children or something, and it's really great hearing that we are helping people out here. If you know someone who could really use this video, or maybe they're a little timid or shy to get started with investing, send them our way. The whole point of this series is to really show that it doesn't have to be an overwhelming process to get started on your investment journey. So make sure that you are subscribed. Please give us a like down below and leave a comment. I always love hearing from you. Have an awesome weekend. We will see you next week. Cheers.